Today we're going to show you the basic troubleshooting steps for unclogging a Red Lion jet pump. First, make sure that your pump is disconnected from the power source. Next, we're going to look at the front of the pump where you can find the cleanout port. Run a wire or a brush through the cleanout plug, making sure to flush it with clean water through the service port and out the drain plug in the bottom. Replace the cleanout plug and the drain plug. Prime the pump according to the instructions found in your manual. Now we'll clean the pressure tube. We can start at the pump side. Gently remove the tube using a wrench to loosen the fitting. With pressurized air, blast through the hole into the pump body to clear any obstructions. Next, we'll disconnect the assembly from the pressure switch itself. Gently remove the tube, then use a wrench to loosen the fitting. Using pressurized air, blast through the tube and the fitting after they are disconnected from the pump and the switch. Now, let's put it all back together. Reconnect the fitting to the pressure switch first, then attach the tube. Next, reconnect the fitting to the pump and connect the tube to the pump fitting.